Do you want to know how to put in hearing aids? Well, in this video, I'll show you how to insert 4 popular types of hearing aids. Coming up! Hi, I'm Dr. Derek, audiologist with ProFitHearing.com, bringing you the best insight in today's latest hearing aids and audio technology to improve your life. If you have concerns about your hearing, always consult with your local physician or audiologist. Welcome to Question of the Day Friday, where I answer your hearing healthcare and audio technology question. Today, I'm talking about how to put in hearing aids. Did you just get new hearing aids and have a hard time inserting them? Or are you just curious to see how hearing aids look in your ear? Well, today, I'm going to show you how to insert 4 popular types of hearing aids. Let's start with hearing aids that sit inside your ear. All hearing aids that sit inside the ear canal are custom molded to the ear. An ear impression is taken by your audiologist, which is then sent into the hearing aid manufacturer. All of the hearing aid components are then fit inside the custom casing. The smallest hearing aid in my collection is a CIC. CIC stands for Completely In Canal. This one is red to show me that it's made for the right ear. If it was for the left ear, it would have a blue casing. It uses a small battery size 10. Once you're sure you have the correct hearing aid for the correct ear, look for the removal line or vent on the bottom of the hearing aid. You should hold the hearing aid so that the removal line and vent is at the bottom. Then you can insert the hearing aid into your ear. Just press gently with your thumb to insert the hearing aid into your ear canal. Next we have the ITC hearing aid. ITC stands for In the Canal. It's a bit bigger than the CIC and it uses a size 312 battery. ITCs may have a small red or blue dot on the casing to indicate which ear is which. Remember, red is for right ear and blue is for left ear. Same as before, you want to look for the vent or removal string if you have it and hold the hearing aid so that it's toward the bottom. Then you can insert the hearing aid gently by pressing it in with your thumb. The last in-the-ear style hearing aid is the ITE. ITE stands for In the Ear. ITE hearing aids use a size 13 battery. Just as with the CIC and ITC styles, look for the vent or removal line, if it has one, and place that toward the bottom of your ear before gently inserting the hearing aid with your thumb. The last hearing aid I have today is a behind-the-ear or BTE style. Specifically, this type of BTE is called a RIC or receiver in canal. It has a thin tube with a wire that leads to a speaker inside the ear, and it often uses a small plastic ear tip on the end. You may also see a small custom ear mold on this type of hearing aid. A regular BTE hearing aid uses a thicker tubing to send sound down into the ear, and it uses a larger custom ear mold. With this style of hearing aid, I normally place the piece behind my ear first and then insert the ear tip into the ear. Some of these hearing aids may also have a small retention wire that curls up into the ear to keep the hearing aid in place. As you can see, this style of RIC hearing aid can easily be trialed in a clinical setting since it does not require a custom ear mold unless your hearing loss is more significant. Ask your audiologist if this style is appropriate for your hearing loss and whether it can be demoed in the office after your hearing test. So for today's question, which of these hearing aid styles appeal to you the most? I'd love to know your thoughts, so please comment below. Do you have a question you'd like answered on Question of the Day Friday? Let's connect in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you receive value from this video, please like it, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to be notified whenever a new video is posted. And remember to check out the notes in the description below for more information and to connect with ProFit Hearing on social media. Be a part of the ProFit Hearing community. If you're interested in hearing aids, click on the link in the description below for my free ebook, How to Buy Hearing Aids. Know what to ask your audiologist or hearing aid dispenser so that your hearing aids are easy to use and have all the features you're looking for. Remember, ProFit Hearing brings you the best insight in today's latest hearing aids and audio technology to improve your life. If you have concerns about your hearing, always consult with your local physician or audiologist. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.